go to the beach and fingerboard.
Wow! So you heard my green noodle. We jumped in the ride and we were getting ready to go down to the Sorry Fingerboard event, Huntington Beach at Grinderz. And man, they had some cool parks. We were out there. It was a hot day, but everything we saw was really cool. We got that grind right rail right there. We were just out there fingerboarding, having some fun as a family. Right here, I think my little one lost her fingerboard, so good thing that she actually came up on a tech deck. Good looking out. We went and grabbed a sandwich. Totally forgot to take a picture, but it was really good. And then I was trying out that Black River Park, and man, that thing was sweet. I had a lot of fun right there on that corner. The giant handboard stuff was really cool. Shout out to Famous. And we stopped by and looked at some action figures, some toys, some vintage stuff. A lot of these things I had when I was a kid, and some I wish I did. Then they had the raffle. Was coming up. Oh man, I made out like a bandit. I think I won like 4 times. I got those musket boards all signed. Sweet. Had a good time. It was a good day. Topped it off. Went to the beach. It was a little windy, kind of chilly, but it was really fun. We enjoyed the time there too. Just being together. It was a nice day. If you're like me, you might not have a lot of space for fingerboard storage. So what do you do with all these guys? Well, when I was at Ikea, I actually came up with an idea. I found this thing that goes on the pegboard, a little hanger. So I snipped off these little pieces because where I'm gonna hang it, I don't need them there. Grinded those down, took off the sticker, got it all primed and ready. Put some of that double-sided automotive tape that always comes in handy. Got those all set up, and I mean, look at this, it's perfect. It holds up to 6 boards. I also think this would be great behind a monitor for desk fingerboarders. Place it in there, could do it all one-handed. It was so easy. And all you gotta do is you just gotta rack them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you just gotta figure out which one you're gonna use. And that might be the biggest dilemma. And then it just kind of gets fingerboard action after that. I had to bust out that Black River pyramid thingy that I won from the Sorry event. I love the way that thing grinds. It's so cool. And before we get ready to head out to the vault, I actually gotta bust out some laundry. Can't have stinking clothes when you're trying to go out. Caught a few clips in there, just trying some stuff out. I always thought every time I went in here, I was like, oh man, I could bust out something on that ledge. Big granite tabletop, perfect. Then again, we headed on down to 91. This time we're in Inglewood, and we stopped at the vault. Fingerboard stuff galore, all the things you need, rails, wheels, boards. And then you got these tiny ramp company fingerboard spots. Man, those are nice. My little one had to get this scooter just until she gets her fingerboard back. But you know, she's still rocking that tech deck. And here she is with her signature finger walk up the stairs. And this spot is cool. Look at this other table in there. Big giant table, and then you got the stair set. Like 100 stairs, I think. We had the whole place to ourselves for like an hour. We're just having fun fingerboarding as a family and creating these memories together. And you got this granite right here, and then I had a lot of fun on that. That was cool. That was from those Avenue obstacles. Back to the stairs. Keep shredding. Tiny ramp. And it's back home. Tuesday, the big day. Everything was winding up for this. Had a great time with just me and my wife, and I was able to give her that gift that I made. I had a whole previous video. Sure enough, she actually wound up getting me one of those Avenue butter ledges. Man, I had a lot of fun on that. That was so smooth. And then, you know, find out that she had already had it for like a month. It was cool. Had to stack a couple clips on that. And then my wife actually said, let's hang up these fingerboards in the living room, kitchen area. That made my whole day. What a day. I love you so much. Last day of the week, right before having to go back to work, I went to go pick up my little one from my parents' house. I asked my pops if he could help me out just to make a table, just to get one started at least. And that's what we did. Right here, I got that 3D printed corner thing from TP Decks. My buddy Danny printed it out. Said, you know, that's a corner piece, and we came up with some stairs. Trying to figure out what kind of rail option we're going to do. I tacked everything on there with the nail gun. Pops was trying to do some angles. We didn't get to finish it. That's the goal, is hopefully in another video finish it all up. Just what an awesome end to an awesome week. Make sure you guys subscribe so you can check out what happens next time.